You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of arguably the most famous square in China, located of course in Beijing. If you want to learn Chinese vocabulary, pronunciation, stay tuned. There are many more videos you want to learn from. So, first the Chinese pronunciation, Tiananmen. Tiananmen is how it's pronounced, and therefore, unsurprisingly, or maybe surprisingly actually, the English pronunciation is very similar. Tiananmen. So, Tiananmen. Tiananmen Square. It's easy once you know Tiananmen, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.